We share with you now, ladies and gentlemen, from Waikiki, Oahu, under the direction of Na Kumuhula, Kahalepuna Richardson, and Keone Na Keys. Please welcome Halauhula o Na Kiai a Keali'i.
Ua'ala or sweet potato was the main source of sustenance on the southerly hinged dry section of each island. Farmers in this area were called malo'eka or dirty loincloth farmer and developed a greater body of lore around the cultivation of the ua'ala than around taro or other food plants. This lore centers around lono in rain-making rituals, kanipua'a in promoting vigorous growth within the ua'ala patch, and kukea'oleva in the making of the o'o that would help in cultivating. If there were 10, 20, or more men, the day of planting was festive, and a proud sight it was to see the o'o rise, fall, and bend in all perfect unison. The men's arms rising together as though beckoning. With his hands, the mahi'ai nui, or mighty planter, softened the earth, weeded, raked, and spaded with only the help of a wooden digging stick. In this chant, the men performed the amipua'a, which is not a revolving of the hips as in some of the other dances, but a swinging of the hips from side to side, as in imitation of the waddling of a fat hog.
a stirring performance for a group that is making their first appearance here at the Merry Monarch.
But not unlike the precision and the timing of the same expression that they share in their drill team performances. This is awesome. This is very early in the presentation of Halal, and it'll be interesting to find out what's happening for the men.